the arts enable people to do, whether it's online or in real life, is to connect with people. Music is uplifting, enlivening, it enriches people's lives. Theatre, performance, it enriches people's lives to a level whereby you can't actually put a price on it.
If you take somewhere like the Met and you have a show on, you've got the artist, the performers being paid, you've got the artists behind the scenes of the technicians, you have a whole staff in the building, and then you've got the hospitality next door, you've got the hotels. This impact on the economy of a small arts organisation in a small town is huge.
Music matters, and making art matters, and that you have to keep these things going, especially with the state of things at the moment and people's mental health, and there's no outlets for their creativity because there's no gigs, there's no performances. People still need to create, so that's what we do. That's what we're important for.
We are vital to the not just the local community, but to up and coming artists who otherwise would not get that first step up into the public domain, and they're getting their first sort of break in a way before they go on. We've seen so many people that have gone on to the big venues and onto the TV, you know, that have been fabulous.
Without somewhere like the Bury Met Theatre, we wouldn't have access for youth, we wouldn't have access for aspiring artists, people who want to create or develop a career in music or theatre.
I think it's absolutely vital for the arts and for the music industry. I believe there's a few important factors that sort of like make it crucial. Local venues like the Met are absolutely critical to the music industry, and without them I think there'll be a very, very much a diminished music industry in the future. So long may that continue.